Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your TeleportHQ site using DropInBlog. Once logged into your TeleportHQ account, you'll be met with your workspace page, which is where you'll find your projects. Go ahead and click on the projects you'd like to edit. Now in the site editor, what you want to do is create a new page where your blog will be. Make sure you're on the Layers and Files tab. Here in the center is a preview of your homepage. To add a new page, navigate to the left under Explorer, then to the right of Pages, click on the plus icon. Then in the drop-down that appears, click on New Page. A window will pop up where you can choose to use a template or use a blank page to start with your new blog page. For this tutorial, we'll be using the latter. Scroll down a bit and click on the Use Blank button on the bottom right of the window. There you go. You've added a new blank page to your website. The first thing to do with your new page is rename it. So, here on Page, name your page however you'd like. We'll be typing in blog to be straightforward. Then hit Enter. Right-click here on your page, and in the menu that appears, click on Settings. The settings window for your blog will appear. Under URL, set your URL. Again, to be simple, we'll type in /blog. And of course, under title here, we will also type in blog. You can also add a description over here if you'd like. Once done, simply close the blog settings window. Now, we're starting off with a blank page. If you used a template, you'll already have elements and components on your page, such as a header and a footer, which we'll need to add here to our blank page. So if you're using a blank page and have components, under Components here on the left, simply scroll and find the component you want. Then, drag and drop it into the page like so. Now we have a header. Let's add the footer by doing the same. We'll just zoom out a bit for a better view. And there you go. Now you have navigational components on your page. Next step is adding an embed element where you'll have to paste in the blog code you'll need to get from your DropInBlog account. To do that, here on the upper left, click on this element's icon, the plus sign inside a square. And in the slide up menu, find the Code Embed element. Then drag and drop in between your header and footer components, like so. The Code Embed window will appear, and here is where you'll paste your blog code from your DropInBlog account. So, in your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, under blog code, under step 1, click on Copy Code here to copy your first line of code. Then go back to your TeleportHQ site editor and paste your code here. Then do the same for the second line of code. Go back to your DropInBlog code and layout page. This time, click on Copy Code under step 2. Then simply go back to your TeleportHQ site editor and paste the code right next to the first one you added earlier. Once done, click on Save on the bottom right of the Code Embed window. Then you should see a preview of your blog over here. Now, the next part is making sure your website is responsive to all devices. We'll just zoom out for a better view. To adjust the width of the Code Embed element, simply click on it and hover over either the left or right side of the element until the pointer changes. Then, click and drag to the same direction, as wide as the page is. Like so. You'll see here on the menu to the right that the value of your element's width has adjusted accordingly. And an important thing here with the height is to make sure that it's set to auto, so the element will always fit the page. You should do the same for all the other device options here. We'll just do that again. Like so. Then, once done, you can publish your website by clicking on the Publish button over here on the upper right. Then, when this window appears, click on Publish on the lower right here. When your site has successfully published, click on the link to your website here in the green pop-up up top, and your website will open in a new tab. To view your blog, in the address bar to the end of the URL, add your blog URL slug, which you created earlier. For us, that will be /blog. Then hit Enter. And there is your blog. A quick check to see if everything is working accordingly. And it is. Great. Now, for the final step of this tutorial, copy your blog URL. Then, in your DropInBlog settings page, paste your URL here under blog URL. Then, click on Save All Changes. This makes sure that all your blog posts are synced up with TeleportHQ. Let's check if the posts are indeed synced up by going back to the blog. Just paste your blog URL in the address bar and hit Enter. There we go. Let's click on a post. And as you can see, everything is working great. And that's how you add a blog to your Teleport HQ site using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!